Hello friends, I hope everyone is fine. In today's video, we'll see about MS Excel. It's Microsoft Excel. Just two things we are going to see. I'll open the drive. I'll choose the file online class is. Today, two things we are going to see. First one is just how to copy the content from one sheet to another sheet and from one file to another file. This is one example. Just I selected the names randomly and the marks also randomly. So here that is the first thing, and second thing we are going to learn the basic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First we'll see how to copy the content from one sheet to another sheet or from one file to another file. So this is the sheet. Okay, so here the one sheet is there, right? So I'm going to create another sheet here. Just if you press that plus new sheet, it will open. So like this we can create our need. Okay, so if you want to rename this sheet, just right click, just select the rename, and you can give backspace and you can type as G2 is. So if you want to delete the sheet, just select this, right click, and you can delete like the same way, just right click and you can delete this. Fine. Now we have the content in G1, right? So if you want to copy the same content to the another sheet, means just you can select it. Only few things you want to copy. For example, I don't want the things and I want only 10 names. Just I'll copy, just click here and you can track the mouse. Yes, you can use the shortcut key Control C. Yes, then click that G2 sheet and you can press wherever you want, just click there and Control V to paste. Yes, now it pasted. You can align it. See here, like this you can align at the top, right? Here like plus symbol, no? So you can align the sheet. So you can select like this also, you can select it and you can track it all together, you can do it. So here also if you want to alignments, just select by this way, come down and just see plus symbol like that is there, no? Just move up slightly. So equally you can align like this. Yes. So here if you want this content how to come at the center, means just select the whole thing, go to the alignment, see here alignment is here. So middle align, just you can click it here and just you can select and you can extend it. Still if you want to extend, you can extend. If you want to increase the font size, just select this and you can see here the font, right? Increase font size, just you can click how you want. And if you want to change the color for this, you can go for font color and you can change the color also like this. Fine. So how to copy from one sheet to another sheet is fine. Yes, you can save, Control S, or you can see this is a save button, you can click here. So we know how to copy from one sheet to another sheet the needed content. Fine. So next thing is how to do the simple calculation. See here geography and history mark is there, 40 and 40 mark is there. Here I will type as social. Yes. So altogether this social I need 80 marks, 40 plus 40, right? So if you want next line, means alt enter and open bracket 80 and close it. Fine. So now I created the separate column for social, right? So I can track this and I can go to the border and all border I'll give. Yes, if you want thick border, just select it, go here and here thick box border. Fine. Yes. Now simple calculation, that is addition, we are going to give. that is, I need here geography mark is 40 and here is 40, right? So 40 plus 40, it's 80. You have to display here as 80. So if one or two things means manually we will do. So here what we can do in Excel, just click here and press equal to sign, and you want to type the cell address, that is F5. You no need to type manually, just if you click this cell, so automatically it will display this is F, here is a 5, right? So F5, and we are going to add that mark. So plus, so shift and then plus. So here see the plus symbol is there, right? Next cell is history mark, so click here. So F5, this is F5 and plus and G5. So we want to press enter key. So 40 plus 40, 80, right? So I'll make big font. Yes. So you no need to do the calculation for each and every cell. It's very simple. What we can do, just click it here, see here, right side and small square like that is there in green color. So if you keep the mouse cursor near, means it will change to plus, like plus symbol. So that time what you can do, just drag down, just you drag down. Yes, it was updated for all the 10 children. Yes. Okay, so here it's at the right side. So if you want to make at the center, means just in the alignment center, and here is the middle align, just you can give bold, and here you can give the bold, and if you want to increase the font size, just you can increase the font size. And for the social alone, if you want to give different font color, means you can give the font color also, you can choose here like this. Yes. So this is the simple addition how to do for the subject, and simple calculation I will tell. So this is for addition, right? So here if you want to, for example, if you want to subtract something, so what you can do, so click it here, equal to symbol. So I want subtract this geography mark and history mark. Okay, so that is geography and history. So what you can do, from the geography there is 30, and I am going to give minus and then 20. Okay, enter. So certain like that you can track it. Okay, so like this you can do the subtraction. This is the simple method for subtraction. And if you want to do the division, for example, I keep it here two numbers, that is 40 and here 20 in this cell. Okay, so here I'll make it as center and increase the font size. Okay, so here two cell is there. This is the first, is a number 1 value. Okay, that is a val 1. This is value 1, and this is copy and I'll paste. This is a value 2, for example. Okay, I'll make it as center and different color and increase the font. Is fine. So this is the first value and this is the second value. I'll change as 2. Okay, so first value and second value. Now what I am going to do is, we know addition and subtraction. So multiplication, in what we can do the same way, equal to, select this cell, or multiplication we want to select star. Okay, so shift and then star, the symbol, and then the same thing, that second value cell we want to select and enter. So 40 into 20 is 4, that is 800. So here for example 32 and 10 20 5 like that, if it is there, just I'll select this format painter and you can do it like this also. It's simple, and I need the same font here, means font style, just select this, go to format painter and you can do for all the cells. Here answer, select this, and if you want to change color for the answer, you can select like this, change it. Yes, so here for one cell we done, right? The same way, if you want to continue it, just click here and you can drag it here. Okay, this is simple multiplication answer. Okay, so multiplication we will use this symbol. Here for division, okay, yes, for division you will use this slash. So what you can do here, equal to first value slash and then second value, enter. So 40 divided by 20 is 2. Format Painter I'll do. So 2. The same way you can drag it here. So addition and subtraction we learn, multiplication and division. I'll tell for addition also, add. So plus symbol we will use shift and plus symbol we will use right. And for subtraction, so minus symbol we will use, right? So Format Painter. So you can update like this in any calculation. If you want to do addition, means equal to this cell address, shift plus this plus symbol and then second value, enter, and you can drag it here like this. So same font means you can do it for all the things, right? So 40 into 40 plus 20 is 60. So 31 plus 10 is 41, like this. So subtraction means equal to first value minus and second cell value, enter, right? This is drag it. So this is very simple thing, you can do it here. So how to copy the value from one sheet to another sheet, and this is simple addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, how we can do it. Yes, so in this file we have two sheets. This is sheet 1 and this is sheet 2, right? So I want to send the mail only this sheet. I don't want this, means either you can select, you can delete it and you can send. So another method, I need only this G2 but I want G1 in my system. So what you can do, just right click, see, right click and then move a copy, and see here, if you want to create the copy you can do it, move selected sheet. So you can, new book you can give and create a copy, and okay, yes, see, book 1 only the G2 is there, and we can minimize it. Okay, where we want to save, that also we want to note down. That's the main thing we forgot, right? So once again I'll open this, see here, but we don't know where it's saved, right? Just it was saved, right? So now what you can do, I'll give save and go to the computer and browse it where you want to save. So I'll save in the F drive, choose the drive where you want to save, online class marks. See here only we have the mark sheet already, right? So this is G2 mark, G2 mark. We can rename this file also. Yes, and you can save it, right? So I'll close all the files. So further, if you want to open, means save, go to the drive, EF drive 2021 online class marks. See here G2. In mark sheet we have two sheets, that is G1 and G2. Now I created only the G2 file, so I close it. See here G2, only that value will be there. See here, yes. I hope this video will be very useful to you. We'll meet on next video. Take care. Bye bye.